everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Designs. I'm coming by today with this is an unboxing for Beebeecraft. So, of course I ordered beads. I always do. I love beads. They've got so many places you can use them. These are a frosted bead, a frosted glass bead. I can't say these are a neutral or pastel or whatever, but these are just a random assortment of colors. A couple of purples, some oranges. I really like those. Because my idea was, I'm going to do a bracelet. And hopefully I'm going to do a skull bracelet. So these are a more muted colors. These are, looks like two blacks. Maybe this one's translucent. I'm not sure. Or maybe that's three blacks. No, this one is a blue. These two look to be black. Another couple of purples, a blue, and a red. I love those. And I love those. Those are so clear. I'm in a white. They're a little different than this clear. This is a little more translucent. And then we've got these. These are a more summery collection. A couple of blues, a teal, of course a green, a pink, and again with the white, which is again a little different. Okay, those appear to be really similar, but those are different. Alright, that's it for the frosted glass beads. This was another set. These are all three different sets. This was a set to itself. This really nice selection of seed beads. I don't know what happened right here. And I'm not even sure what color that is. Maybe a kind of mauve-y color. And half of them spilt. Half of those spilt. So that should be fun. And then this was the other half of this set. I didn't have any tube beads. I didn't have any. So it looks like these are a metallic row. These are a translucent row. No, these are a translucent row. These are maybe a solid row. But anyway, they're really pretty. Let's see if I can hold them still. And again, lots of applications in crafting, as I'm going to show you. These I got to do the little resin keychains. I'm going to use some of these as filler along with some other stuff. So, keychains and a skull bead bracelet, hopefully. Alright, so thank you Beebeecraft. These should be really fun. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave links down below for a coupon code and links to these and a link to Beebeecraft. So, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Sorry, one last thing I didn't mean to forget. This is just a random bag of supplies, tweezers, snippers. There's a row of beading elastic and some big eye beading needles. So those are really, really awesome. Big eye beading needle. It looks about the same as I have ribbon needles, about the same thing. So again, possibly multiple applications. Alright, this time, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.